Letters. Let's help Johnny put letters in trailers. Move the letter to its outline. That's right, that's the letter A. Very good, that's a C. That's right, that's the letter E. All the letters are set. Let's go!
A is for apple, apple. B is for ball, ball. C is for cat, cat. D is for dog.
What is the name of the object? Move the object to the letter it's named. Right, E for eggs. Correct, A for acorns. Good, C for a cucumber. All the objects are set correctly. Good job!
A is for apple, apple. B is for ball, ball. C is for cat, cat. D is
Turn
for
the
dog.
word into a cloud. Move the letter to its outline. Good. C for a cucumber. Correct. A for acorns. Right. E for eggs. Help Johnny with the planting. Move the seeds to the pots. Good job! A tomato will grow here. Well done! A rose will grow here. That's right! A cornflower will grow here. Look! There are sprouts!
Flowers are smiling happily. Mom will help me plant another, and then I will have.
You need to water the sprouts to make them grow. Move the watering cans over the sprouts. Well done! You've watered the rose. Very good! You've watered the tomato. That's right! You've watered the cornflower. Wow! Look at the plants you've grown.
Flowers are smiling happily. Mom will help me plant another, and then
Let's send the crops to the stores. Move the plant to its store. That's right! That's the cornflower store. Very good! This is the tomato store. Well done!